What's going on, guys? So today we have another Cybertruck surprise. We've always been using our template kits. And what that means is we have our giant machine, cut all the templates right to size with the edges, and I actually barely use the knife. So that being said, it'd be kind of fun, maybe not for us, but for you guys to actually see what the bulk process is. We get a giant roll, and this is actually from Metro Reselling. So thank you guys so much. They hooked us up, we ordered late, and they got it in super fast. And this is a digital camo print. It's more of a grayish black. And shout out to Unplugged Performance and Silicon Valley Tesla Owners Club as well. They were one of the first ones, I think, to do this. Very, very similar, looks awesome. So what we're gonna be doing is we have this, I love this thing, it's on wheels, it's a cast, on cast wheels, and then it pretty much holds the roll so that it has that structure. And then we pretty much roll it all the way out, and it's about the height of the actual vehicle. And then we have to cut two sides. You don't have to match every single area because it's supposed to be a little bit more random. But one thing is it's just gonna make sure that it goes in the same direction, right? Because it'll look awkward where all the rectangles are this way and then all of a sudden it goes up, right? That's pretty much the last talk I'll be doing, and then you get to see kind of how we do it over here, organize it. We're gonna label all of them, and then after that we're gonna start laying it all down. So let's get started. Great idea. We lifted the car because it was slightly off. So we just lifted the car a little bit. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and just roll this out. Make sure all the wheels are unlocked. Let's go ahead and just extend it out. I'll hold it. Look at that. That should be plenty. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it straight down. One other thing too, so this is actually what I used to do before we started making our own templates, but I would do this process first, so it's really inefficient. Every time, oh, let me cut a piece, get it, and then so on. So we just do all of it all at the same time. I have a trash bin, a big bin. I put it all labeled. So for this one, I'm just gonna put P, rear quarter for passenger. And this that we're using is Avery Dennison 1105 EZRS. So that's what we're using. We love working with this film. It works really well, and then it's laminated, and on this one we are using matte laminate. So it's really, really nice and flat looking. That's okay. So, awesome. Yeah, just like that. So we're just gonna peel all of it, just because we have 3 people. Okay. So that's all go on this side. And then you're gonna go ahead and just go all the way where Marley is. And yep, get it on a straight line. Yep, keep going, it's okay. Pull all the way out, yep. All right, Marley, you ready? That's straight, right?
Yeah.
Can you pull it? There we go, like that. Okay, and then after that, we can just pull this. Just kind of give me some of that tension. Okay, we'll switch on that side. And then. All right, what I can do is I need to start relieving the tension. So hold that side, hold this side. I'm just gonna start from the middle and just work my way. Yep. Continue to give me tension. I got the corner edges done, and then I'm gonna just start cutting. Okay, can you do me a favor? And you see how I'm creating a bridge right here? Can you create a bridge between this and this panel right here?
Yes.
So all you're doing is pulling it like this. That way I can have a area I can just cut. Get all the edges. Remember, we get the face of that edge down first, and then we squeegee, because that will make sure that there's no air pockets in between, because it has a rugged texture. Like just do a half point like that, and then you do the other side, and then try to be in sync. Hold it with 4 fingers. That's gonna make it uneven. Yeah, and then less. Not straight, right? More like this. There you go.
And your smiley face.
Yep.
Yeah.
Now while you guys do that, I can actually start cutting. I'll try not to be in y'all's way. It's kind of hard though.
Overlap the time.
Yes, always overlap a lot. Hold it. Height-wise, I'm good, but okay. There you go. And then right now it's creating some of that. Okay, go ahead, keep going. All right, it does still first. Okay, go, Marley. There you go. All right, go, Marley. All right, go ahead. It's like watching the lines a little bit more. So if you guys see that it's like kind of gathering in one area, you know what I'm talking about? That's what you're looking for. You gotta tension it a little bit more. All right, guys, so we have pretty much all of the half done. It didn't take us that long. Like I said, it's not our first Cybertruck, so it's a little bit easier. However, I love the way it looks. It looks a little bit darker in person. I think it's because we have this giant light, so it makes it very, very bright. But I like working with this. The main thing is, like I said, it's not necessary you have to connect everything like a printed graphic. However, it does need to be, you don't want all the rectangles in completely random. So this is a little bit easier to wrap, but we were able to get all of this done in probably a couple hours or less, from cutting all the way to wrapping edges and all that stuff. So let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Click on that subscribe button. Hopefully this was educational, just showing you what that bulking process is. And for the most part, most shops will be doing a bulking process or like a very like hybrid approach where maybe they kind of have it in a particular shape, but it's not really too fit. If you want to learn though, we have a lot of free courses that you can check out at courses.tesbros.com, and you can see our do-yourself courses as well. We have a few free modules that you can watch yourself and learn, so check that out. If you want us to launch this kit and this pattern, let us know. We can make it available. If you already want it, we can definitely get it for you. So just reach out to us at support@tesbros.com. We'll see you later.